not totally ignoring them, but you're not buying into it either. You know, I have aroha for everyone who comes to me, but I also know that I have a job to do. And when they leave, my job is done. Let's get clarity about that. When they leave, your job is done.
But it's not like I'm not coaching them or giving them, I don't want them to call back to me, I want them to go and do their work.
They're dependent on you.
Yeah, and how do you say to them, like,
just don't talk to them. Stop answering their texts.
Okay,
You don't owe them anything.
Because I'm like, oh, do I have to message back? And then if I forgot, and then they'll message me.
You're going to be cruel to be kind, just don't answer them. And then they get the message. Cut the ties. And, you know, do it, make it painless as possible, and just stop communicating with them. Otherwise you're taking responsibility for them.
And it's not.
You're not helping them, eh? You know you're not helping them.
Yeah.
So you just stop doing it. Because when your job is done, then it's up to them from that point on. They make their choice, they make their decisions from that point on. It has nothing to do with you. Kapai? Kapai dogs? Yes. And I'm falling into old habits here by following up with people to ask them if they're okay. Sometimes they're not okay. And that's okay as well, if they're not okay, because they'll figure it out. They'll work it out.